Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to study different business models, the various ways through which we can generate revenue. So let's get started. First of all, make yourself understand that you are going to do business. Don't tell your mind that you are going to try some shortcut. You don't need to convince people or your parents. You need to convince your own mind that you are going into business. And whatever things are required to run a business, I will tell you all about it. How are you going to be a businessman? Even a freelancer is a businessman, a blogger is also a businessman. Anyone who generates income is a businessman because business involves client handling, team management, budgeting, and everything else that normally required in any business. In blogging, there are several proper ways through which we can generate revenue. If you learn even one skill, it's enough to change your entire life. Now, talking about the business plan. In blogging, the first way we can earn money is through advertising, which we call Google AdSense. How does it work? Let me explain. Suppose you have a website, for example, maryweb.com, or you can open any other website. You will see ads displayed on it. Through these ads, website generates revenue. So yes, any website can generate income through advertising. The most common blogging revenue generation model is advertising. You create a website, you rank it on Google, and then Google gives you ad. You place those ads on your website, and when your website gets traffic, user visit it. And the more visitors you have, the more revenue you generate. That's simple, right? So the first way to earn money is through Google AdSense and the other advertising platforms. The next business model we have is affiliate marketing. In this model, you promote products or services for other people or companies and earn a commission from them. Let's say I have an air conditioner at home and I approach higher and say, listen, I will write a review about your AC. Whether I praise it or criticize it, that's my job. But if someone buys your product through my recommendation, you should give me a commission. That commission is called an affiliate commission. For example, I write a blog titled Sony TV versus Samsung TV. If someone buys a Sony TV through my blog, Sony will pay me a commission. Similarly, Amazon says promote my products through affiliate links and earn a commission from me, usually between 1% and 5%. That's affiliate marketing, our second business model. The first business model was advertising, the second is affiliate marketing, and the third is sponsor or guest post. You can sponsor a post or a website and earn revenue from it. Let's say your website is getting good traffic. Another website owner might say, can you add my link on your site? You reply, sure. Give me some money and I will place it. This is another way to generate income. The next model is selling products. In this one, you directly sell your own products and earn revenue from sales. After that comes selling services. For example, if you have a skill like SEO, video editing, or graphic designing, or any work you can do easily, someone might say, I need this service. You reply, okay, I will edit your videos for you. Pay me this much per video. They agree and give you the work. That's called selling services. Our next business model is the subscription fee. In this model, you create premium content and tell people pay if you want to access this content. Next is building a brand. You can build a brand by selling products, offering games, etc. That was today's lecture. I hope you understood. If you want to learn SEO in detail, step by step, then subscribe to the channel now. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.